Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Instagram post on different niches and how you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and also how you can grab the local clients, or you can go to google.com and search websites according to your niche and ask them that you can maintain their Instagram presence, and that's it. They will hire you and they will pay you for your services. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a gratitude post on gratitude Instagram post on gratitude quotes on Instagram. So we can make this post in Canva, and we can make this post in Canva. If so let's go to Canva. In case you don't know about canva.com is an online graphic designing tool, from which you can create stunning and visuals, and you don't need to be an expert graphic designer or experienced graphic designer to be a Canva expert. You just have to start. Canva do it all for you. So in gratitude code, so I click on create a design, and I write here Instagram portrait, and I am going to google.com, and here I search quotes gratitude. So let's see. I open this website. I think this one is good, so I copy this and I go to canva.com. So here I search for to I made this. I do not use any template for this. I made the post from scratch. So I choose pink color because pink color is mostly used for expressing gratitude, and here I paste the quote. Now I want to change the font. I choose this font, collective. I think it's look good. Now I am changing the size, increasing the size of the quote. I change the color because white suit with pink, and after that I have to mention the reference. So this quote is from taken from this. After that I would like to add a text and write fake website name. Change the font, change the size. I would also like to change the color. That's good. After that add some elements. This look good, but I think I have to change a color. Yeah, it's look great. So guys, I have to adjust the things. That's good. So guys, our post is ready, and as you can see in how in 2 to 3 minutes I ready a quote post, gratitude course post. So you can sell this service and you can easily learn this skill. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.